Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so mesre and then your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell on so am I insembi aba bonten na me pese ye nua ye kasa because say nipa kra asem we efri ne ho no it's not always and I say wo ba bonten e dey insembi say eba betuja some oba kaya Ghana has say for ebia 1 month 2 months ni one minister na so aye shepa eye Professor Frimpong Boateng wono ena woye minister yede no eto interministerial committee on illegal mining yede ne to ano se galamse ayeye wono wonhwe na eto entwa ne sanse Ghana for eka se galamse yi we failed Kennedy Japan kraka no na trese nini na no eye minister we ne chim ena yedi ejane nia kwa akogu okaya Kennedy Japan eba bonten eden sembe tuja se minister we ne bakra eye galamse ni bi na ne bano he is linked to a company as a company yes galamse awo mutu ne bi ni me be trail pictures of minister ne ba ana wo shenremu yes we didn't see say no too good but no shenremu a bukita saka wo mu hu nya hu se dabi we there it looks like the background so to galamse Kennedy Japan so ma yet ase say sa excavator and sensem we ni na no just a minister no one no there wo jai nkrofo from doing galamse ACG or mo excavators na wo dey akoma ne ba na bibi say esi a Kennedy Japan say na me din kan trouble no will be even if he speaks without showing evidence and without showing proof Ghana for ejinidi inti no na e was a minister no wo ba bonten ebekasa efa asem no ho ye hwe minister ni mu a minister yi amba bonten ambekasa amfa asem no ho eno enendra president ekoye state of the nation address. Now one thing about state of the nation address ne say wo bia wo ye presidential appointee bia e was say won so wo parliament house hobi inti minister no ekobi na wo ba na Ghana for journalist ka say hey minister ya hwehwe wache ye pese wo kasa won sem bi ho na so won grant ye interview ye nya wa ha de ye de be plan that time no Ghana journalist wo mo around nya ebegu ne ho na wo sha ase say wo ye bisa ne nsem na say wo say yes galamse ne de he has won the fight against galamse. You say hey minister e dey na how can say you've won the fight against galamse no. One man the whole percentage was say he'll give himself 70%. Say yes, why are there 70%? Excavator and sensema minister just say it's for no easy. Any business say minister Kennedy Japan any growth be keka say wo ba eye galamse e den e na wo be kan afan was say wono ni baby ani wa wo ye galamse yes hey minister we fit say your pictures was say hey ni baby ani wa wo ye galamse no wono de wo yo bia se katahihye ne proye won so wa ya de aboa Ghana ni wiase ma wo baaye wonye bone da ni wiase ma wo baaye wonje bribe da aden wo behwe e ma ne ba akwa akoye galamse inti eyentro se wate wa bonten se ne ba eye galamse ya wo se eyentro na ne ba enye galamse bia inti minister wo ba enye galamse no e de na odi be yi utiano na uhu ano wo se modi amontwen na the credit wo kosro eba fom ekosha asase ase eko bebi a wo ye de nkra na one day no kra ebepie inti Ghana for yentwen ne kra ne bepie say indeed ne babi eye galamse ana ne babi enye galamse wono de waka wo say no way ne babi ani ho a wo ye galamse eno ene asema minister no wo de atudwa. Now one thing I like about the minister's response is a response and woman no one book Kennedy Japan din one no there will answer the question no ko ni baby edu baby ni ye bisa ne galamse just say na afei galamse nsem na ni ye bisa no obviously the minister no meaning say no expect say ye bisa any other question aside galamse na ma galamse nsem na ye bisa no and afei minister ni bubefu ya but just say odi ebufo eko ekra wo ja journalist ne ho na afi journalist ko mbu say minister no wa mbu omo he worked out on them just like how the NDC minority also walked out on the president. The minister walked out on them because now the questions are what be say bisano on Galamsey no as a name until one nanti wo so ekoye. Etiefo the person when you are tremo again our comment box nimo. You've heard Kennedy Japon's side of the story. Now the minister has finally come out to speak. Said Dabi ni baby ni wa wo ye Galamsey. Na Mesre, I just want you to actually share your thought on this. Who do you believe? Because these two people, no one has actually provided proof. No one has provided proof. Kennedy Japan, what they know enaka. Minister also what they know enaka. Into who will you believe? And I know a lot of you will believe Kennedy Japan. Why? Because he has created that brand for himself. Say Assembia Wobekembia Ayanakre. You know my stand on some of the things Kennedy Japan says already on this channel. Unim debia and semeya meka. So I will not want to repeat myself. Sorry, I will not want to repeat myself. But Mesre, you've heard both sides. We are two sides of the coin. We ni na Mesre country me dear he any mood. When I will feel a walk and a crack, when I will feel a walk chantro. Ye bisa minister no excavate and sensem. And also questions and no work answers and no warm hey minister pan as a hundred year ba jayo a hundred wajai. And still on this same excavator and sensem and the video be a me special task force be a yate na mebo na Akufo-Addo Abaso say yes Ghana for now we are seeing say the fight against Galamsey has been lost. A lot of people have that notion. People are having problems say Nanado a call parliament and dra woko can say government has won the fight against Galamsey. You and nine yenia yenim say asema Nanado kan no say been prediasa ne kre enim. But I understand him. Was a politicians who one thing about them and they say they will never come out to accept their mistake because they see it as weakness. It's one bad thing they are certain a mistake that. But we all know that the fight against Galamsey has been lost totally. Now the Anti-Americans and member Akufo-Addo Abaso say aside all Ghana 4 year can say the fight against Galamsey has been lost no. Still, yate special team bia womo retrieve excavators and the video bia me hu here and I was really impressed. Womo ko nkre bia sinre bi mo abube hu the excavators no. MPP mpanyinfuo bi and the excavators no A2 area Galamsey. And this task force didn't mind. They say womo ko baby obeti din yesi MP we and the excavator ne bae. Yes, there be excavator we can excavators na ye season ne ho dia na ye wa ha one of the MPP political or aspirant we will be a affiance of person will be done parliamentary way one also sana excavator back on the site but no kasa no ni site intino ne juma F1 no F no e na one task force em say e wo Joy FM say Joy News o no mo post here e wo Facebook ne juma F1 no F no say enkrofo bia ba so wo mo be seize excavator no and I say one more a video na ye tie say papa no ene omo kasa and omo ka tell say dabi excavator ne de ye Fabium ye de call aviation e wo Accra ni patra wo ye MPP ni na wo ye aspirant na fe wo ye mof say excavator is mine, the excavator is mine, I have documents on the excavator and ni pakuna wo be seize excavator ne tell say massa the first time I go seize excavator na me ka hu the chassis number of the excavator I attract to her and it is in my books. Say we excavators na ye season ne ho. E ba ne send the sense be di wo ho. Into what they will feel say e ye wo dia ye de kwa Accra. Bra ho na fa document no e bra. Now, yes, minim say maka say mebo Akufo-Addo Abaso aba wo pese wo hwe di ntia make say mebo na Abaso. Basically on this particular thing. So even though Ghanaians are thinking said that the fight has been lost, no, still people are going on grounds and stopping people. And this time around, they are not afraid whether a NPP big wigs or not. But we better say their election year Banintia. Anyway, he has done it. Montreal, comment box, me that's it.